Okay, good afternoon, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, March 25th. I'm sorry I'm posting late, but I posted all the work that you need to do for today, and I also posted the language work, and I posted the French work that you need to do for today. Just giving you heads up, there is a new tab on our Google Classroom that's called Introduction Videos. And in this tab, I'll be posting a video every day, just like this one, where you guys can know the instructions for the whole day. What are you expected to do the whole day? And in that video, I'll go over the math and language and science and everything that you need to cover for the day. So first thing you do every morning is just watch that video, watch my explanation, and then you can go ahead and do the work as instructed during that video. Okay, I think this is the best way to go about it. I'm learning as we go through this with you guys, and we're learning together. And I think it would be best if I make this video that gives you together what it is you need to do for the day so you know exactly what's going to happen, just like we did in our classroom. At the beginning of the day, I would tell you exactly what you're expected to do and what we're doing the whole day before we even get started. Okay, so as always, we will start with the math. This is the page that you were supposed to work on yesterday. And I'll upload this to the Google Classroom as well with the page that you're working on for today. So for the multiplication, as we agreed, we just add a denominator of a 1 below your whole number. So if you have a 2 multiplied by 1 over 3, you just add an over 1 here to the 2, and then it makes a 2 over 1, and then you multiply the numerators together and you multiply the denominators together and you end up with the answer. So 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3. I did this one for you as well. We did this as an over 1, so I said 6 times 3 is 18. 1 times 8 is 8, 18 over 8, and then you reduce it to get 3, 1 over 2. Okay? There is a question here, question 17. Use fraction strips divided into thirds to represent 6 multiplied by 2 over 3. So if I'm going to do 6 multiplied by 2 over 3, that means I need 6 strips of 2 over 3, representing a fraction of 2 over 3. So if we have a strip like this, I divide it into 3. 2 over 3 would be 2 of those, right? And I need to do 6 of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 of them, and you do 2/3 for all of them, and then that's really what they're asking you to do, right? So 2/3 of the 6 strips, okay? And then they're asking you how many altogether do you have and blah, blah, blah. But all I really want to see is that you're able to do that multiplication operation. So I add the over 1 below the 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. So if I put them all together, those pieces, the red pieces that I colored here, they're going to make actually 4 full strips, okay? So moving on. If you got all of that correct, you're good. How can you check whether your answer half times 4 over 5 is correct? We can just do half times 4 over 5, and we see that this is equal to 4 over 10, which is 2 over 5. If you got that, you're correct, and we can have so many ways to verify that or prove that. But if you're good and so far and you're not struggling with anything, then we are going to move on. I have some examples here of how we would change and mix an improper fraction like this one here to a mixed number. So I'm going to ask myself how many 2's are in the 5. The answer is 2. That's how I get my whole number. And then I have a remainder of 1. So that's how I got the 2, 1 over 5. Again, if I had, like, for example, 6 over 5, I would ask myself how many 5's are in the 6. The answer is 1 whole, and the remainder is 1 over 5. So that's how you change from improper fraction to a mixed number. Okay? So that is this video, and now I'm just going to go over the questions that you're expected to do for today.